Good morning, children. Hope you all have started with your revision work. And so, today, children, in this revision, I have brought you a bag, mixed bag of objectives of Unit 3. I have put it in one bag. And let's see what is in that bag. So, let's get started with our mixed bag. First, we have true and false. Peasant offer food to beggars. False. The golden plates shine more brightly when touched by peasant. True. Shu was a rich girl. False. Mr. Behrman was a kind-hearted man. True. A plate of lead was from heaven. False. Johnsy realized that her thinking was wrong. True. Fiberglass kites led to creating power-driven aeroplane. True. In Gujarat, the kite festival is celebrated to welcome spring. True. Uttarayana starts from Makar Sankranti onwards. True. Kite flying in Gujarat is a competitive sport come festival. True. The Kite Bazaar in Ahmedabad is open day and night for a week. True. The special thread of kite flying is sharpened by adding sugar and glass pieces. False. Shu became the victim of pneumonia. False. It was Johnsy. Fill in the blanks. Beauty's smile begins in eyes. William Henry Davies was born in 1871. Streams full of stars like skies at night. Poet condemned lack of leisure in life. Squirrels hide their nuts in grass. 6. Poor life if this is full of care. 7. Leisure is written by William Henry Davies. A wonderful plate fell in the courtyard of Benares. Beggar was sore and blind. You can get 2 blanks also, huh? The priest gifted plate of gold to peasant. Behrman wanted to paint a masterpiece. Illuminated box kites called tukkals are launched in the sky at night. Identify the tenses. They were waiting for the right winds. Present continuous tense. People were haggling. Were is a past continuous, haggling ing, children. You all know we are again and again revising. This is very, very important topics which I'm doing. Vendors had been selling kites all through the week. Been hai to perfect, past perfect tense. Skilled craftsmen had demonstrated age-old skills. Past perfect, had, children. State Tourism Corporation will be organizing the International Kite Festival. Future continuous tense. Kite flyers have demonstrated their skills with exotic kites. Present perfect tense. 7. They had come to New York from different parts of United States. Past perfect tense. Next, identify the figures of speech. Streams full of stars like skies at night. Like, comparison, simile, 2 different things. Stars and stream is compared to stars. No time to see when woods we pass. W is repeated. Alliteration. Where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. Question mark, it is interrogation. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. It is personification. That is Mother Earth is personified to a young beautiful girl. Specially I have written in bracket children. We have no time to stand and stare. S is repeated. Alliteration. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich the smile. Her eyes begin. Here also personification. Human quality of smiling is given to nature. Streams full of stars like skies at night. Again SS is repeated. Alliteration. Thank you, children. I want you to write down the entire mix bag in your notebook as a revision part. Love you and do your best for your exams or unit tests, I can say. Start preparing. Love you all.